The HD1000-S Electric Sprayer is a cutting-edge tool that eliminates the need for manual pumping, offering a seamless spraying experience for gardeners and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Equipped with a 12-volt rechargeable battery and charger, this sprayer ensures uninterrupted use for up to 2 hours on a single charge, making it ideal for large gardening tasks. Designed with user comfort in mind, it features a 4-foot hose, padded shoulder strap, and ergonomic handle, allowing you to reach every part of your garden with ease. The inclusion of 2 nozzles, a brass adjustable nozzle, and a fan tip nozzle provides versatility in spray patterns, catering to various gardening needs. Built with heavy-duty materials and leak-proof metal hose fittings, the HD1000-S promises durability and reliability, preventing messy leaks during use. The wide mouth opening of the sprayer facilitates easy filling, adding to the convenience and efficiency of this robust gardening tool.